Hello everyone, welcome to English 7. I'm your instructor, Josh Bowman, and in this video I'll show you how to access our course page. First, you will click on Canvas in the Las Positas website. Next, you will log in with the same username and password you use for ClassWeb. Once you're logged in, you will see your dashboard. This shows all of your active Canvas classes. Find our class, English LPC 7, SEC DE4. That stands for Section Distance Education 4. In other words, this is a DE or online class, and we are section number 4. Click on the class tile, and this will bring you to our home page. I will select Student View now, so the page will look more like what you will see. On the home page, you can access all the features of the class. You can access the inbox to send me an email. You can access the Start Here button to visit the Helpful Links module, or the syllabus page to see your weekly assignments. You can also access modules, which is where you'll do most of your weekly assignments. Additionally, you will find links to resources and discussions here. Now, I would like to talk at greater length about the modules page. This is where you will spend most of your time. Here you can access the assignments organized by week. Each week has an overview page, which will list the readings and assignments due. Below the overview page, you will see the pages and assignments due for that week. As you can see from the week 1 module, most assignments are due on Thursdays. Except for the discussion posts. The discussion posts will be due on Wednesdays by 11:59 p.m., and your replies are due Thursday by 11:59 p.m. This staggered due date allows you time to read other student posts before replying to them. While we are talking about discussions, there is also an ongoing discussion board for Q&A, where you can post a question and your classmates can help answer your question. I will also monitor this discussion to help answer questions too. You can find the course QA under the Helpful Links module, or under the Discussions page. If you have further questions about using Canvas, feel free to explore the Resources page or post a question on the QA discussion. I look forward to working with you all this semester. Until next time.